I don't know what you call it.
Nasi Pandan
Claypot.
Tuna.
Nasi
Apa
Claypot.
lah, tuna ada, pandan ada.
Nasi apa-apa. Okay.
Nasi Kelam Kabut.
Nasi Kelam Kabut! What's up everybody? Today once again I'm back with my mom. Last week she taught us how to make Claypot chicken rice using leftover rice. If you're interested you can check out the link here. Now what are we doing today, mom?
Today I'm also doing another variation with leftover rice. Pandan rice.
So here I'm guessing we're going to blend the pandan leaf.
You have to extract the juice.
Alright, now we sift it out. How much do you need?
Okay.
That's it?
Okay.
Then?
Balance. Minum lah.
Meat? Yeah.
Bau telur! Tak ada civic punya orang.
So we are using the clay pot again. We're going to pour in the pandan juice and we're going to put in the leftover rice. Yeah. I'm not stirring because I want the water at the bottom to build up the steam, because if you stir the rice, there won't be much water at the bottom and steam can't build up, but instead the rice would be burned. So low, medium fire. So while waiting for the rice to be heated up, we're going to fry some condiments to go with the rice. We use Tempe.
Diced up the salted egg.
So we are just cutting up some chili padi, shallot.
Okay, let's see if the oil's hot enough. There we go, tempeh is nice and bubbly. So rough chop the coriander. Okay, tempeh is done. Calamansi, squeeze in. A little bit of soy sauce.
Sprinkle a little bit of salt on the tempeh.
For the protein, we're using chili tuna. So chili tuna, we've got salted egg,
Slice some cucumber as well.
quarter cup
Yeah, yeah.
coconut milk. So some salt into the santan.
And when the rice dry up, then we will put in the santan.
Alright, so what happened is the rice dried up and then mom added in salted coconut milk
Yeah.
together
then-
with a couple of leaves of pandan. It all happened so quick, like I'm also left wondering what the hell happened.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm not pro enough lah.
There was a flash moment.
And kita seorang yang penyabar. Cepatlah!
It has been about 6-7 minutes. We can open and check.
Wow. It almost smells like nasi lemak lah. Because
Nasi
you've got pandan, you've got coconut milk in there.
We're going to put some coconut oil.
Okay.
Okay, now we will put the tuna on top and then we close it and leave it for another few more minutes, then we're done.
Now let's open this bad boy up. Have a look. Wow.
Garnish it with the salted egg, tempeh,
Okay, and the cucumber.
cucumber. Just put it aside. Okay lah. This one you want to sprinkle on the fish.
It does look like a bowl I've never seen before. There you go, guys. This is the, I don't know what you call it.
Nasi Pandan
Claypot.
Tuna.
Nasi
Apa
Claypot.
lah, tuna ada, pandan ada.
Nasi apa-apa. Okay.
Nasi Kelam Kabut.
Nasi Kelam Kabut! That name is suitable because
Yeah.
it does look Kelam Kabut sikit. Let's stir everything together, okay? Get the tuna in there.
Wait,
I'm just going in. Oh, it does smell good.
Remember, when you put the water at the bottom of the pot, do not stir the rice. Right? If you stir the rice is going to absorb the water and it will be burned.
I can't say authentic because, you know, it's probably never been done before, but in terms of flavor, it's authentically Malaysian. This is a perfect Malaysian rice bowl, ma'am.
Baru sekarang abang mendapat.
Thank you.
I must say, I'm very surprised at how good it is. Not that I doubt my mom's cooking, but when she sort of told me the combination was a bit, but it's absolutely fantastic. Well guys, I hope you guys give this a try. Let us know in the comment section down below if and when you do. But anyhow, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next week. Ciao.
Bye-bye.